Hello, my wonderful doll loving friends. This is Annie from Annie's Playhouse, and I am so happy to announce that the wonderful girls from the You Create Barbie Basics kits have names now announced. We've been waiting for Carlisle, the designer, or somebody to tell us what the face sculpt names are of these dolls. Many of us, call our dolls by their face sculpts, and we were given the names, but we weren't told who is who. So last night I just happened to stumble upon the information and the database that actually showed the dolls with their correct sculpt names. So I just thought I'd hop on quickly. I'm having a really busy day, but I wanted to hop on and share this information with you because I know many of us have been, sort of on the edge of our seats trying to find out, what the correct names of these face sculpts were. So, so this is kit number 1, and I sort of refer to them as the Latino group because they sort of, their skin tone is sort of mid-range, beautiful face sculpts, and it's really hard to pick a favorite from this bunch, but hopefully my camera will focus properly on these gorgeous faces. So they're still in their bathing suits from my last video where I did a bathing suit extravaganza. If you have not seen that, you should watch it. It's really fun. So this beauty right here, look at this gorgeous face. I did, of course, take the wigs off of them so you could really identify them a little bit better. And this girl is called Cheryl. So that's Cheryl spelled with an I. So that is the name of her face sculpt. Very pretty. And then this next girl, she has sort of stronger makeup, but gorgeous. I mean, they have these beautiful bone structures. And this one is called Reed. R-E-E-D. Gorgeous, gorgeous face. And our third girl in this series is Lisette. Lisette. She's the one with that little sneaky little side eye. Really pretty girl. Okay. So this group is from kit number 2. It's the Caucasian group. And this beauty right here is the one with the side eye and sort of heavy on the makeup. Very, very pretty face. And she is Waldorf. It's in Waldorf Hotel. That's her name. Waldorf. And this girl here, this is very, very pretty face. She's wearing a bathing suit that my granddaughter cut out of balloons. Very, very cute. These kids are so creative these days. This beauty is Audrey. This is Audrey. And this third girl, again, gorgeous, gorgeous face. She's Stoyan. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Stoyan, I think maybe Stoyan. Gorgeous, gorgeous face. By the way, if you happen to not be familiar with the You Create Barbie Basics kits. This is the box that they come in, and you get 3 different body sizes and 3 different head sculpts with 3 different wigs and clothing and jewelry to match. So in case you are not familiar with it, you can look it up on the Mattel website and learn more about these kits. They're wonderful. So this is kit number 3. It's the African American lineup. And these girls, again, really cool face sculpts and really pretty. This one is called Caro. C-A-R-O, Caro. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous face. I think the camera is distorting the colors a little bit. I think it might be because of the black background. I wanted to just do a basic background so that, you know, their faces would show up better. But I'm not sure I made the right decision. But hopefully their beauty is coming across. This cutie on the petite body is called Rose. She's the one with the really cool, like, blue eyeliner. Gorgeous, gorgeous lips. I love the lip color and how they painted the lips on these girls. It's just gorgeous. We thought she was Min. We've been playing the guessing game on who's who. I think I thought this one was Rose, and actually she is Min. Let's see. Now she's the one with the most unusual face. She's not like a classic beauty, but she's just like an unusual, unique beauty. She's the kind of face that you would run into maybe, you know, at the supermarket or somewhere just during the course of your day. She has very realistic features, and to me looks like a, you know, maybe the most out of all of these is a real person. Although I know a girl who looks exactly like, I've got to learn these names, exactly like Caro. So these are the girls and their names. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just going to keep it quick because I'm having a very busy day. But I just had to share this with you because we've been so excited to find out who's who. So thank you so much. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.